What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com, raywarecomputers.com since 1996. Okay, here to show you how to do a PayPal button on your affiliate sites, okay, using Webstarts today. Okay, now Webstarts is the ultimate drag and drop one-stop shopping for any kind of thing you want to do online, any kind of web presence you want. Especially for doing affiliate marketing. It's the unknown all in one package. They've been around since 2004. Okay, they got over 3 million websites hosted on their platform, and I cannot say enough about it. Now, if you've seen some of my other videos, okay, I use this private label rights ebook and information from this private label rights thing going on here, okay? Let's see, what do I got? Bonus articles, okay? So I did the 10 interesting facts about social media, okay? Because you got to remember, you're not a salesperson, okay? You are more of a introduction company, okay? When you do affiliate marketing, don't think of yourself as a salesperson, okay? You are an information networking individual, okay? That's what you are. That's what you need to consider yourself. You got to get out of that mindset of the sales. However, we do make sales pages. Like if you got your own product, okay, you want to make a sales page. So now, very quickly, what I want to do is show you how to put these buttons. Okay, so here's the sales page. So let's go ahead and just do it very quickly. And again, just the way I made this site with the free Webstarts platform, okay? This is just a lead magnet site. It was very raw, and I made the video on it. I'll leave the link in the description. Okay, just to show you how to make a bridge page. Okay, bridge page, lead capture page, opt-in page, whatever you want to call it. Okay, the bottom line is you want to get email to sign up on these types of pages. Okay, now if you made your own product, okay, I believe if you do affiliate marketing through JVZoo, they have their own checkout, and you could send them right to the affiliate checkout, and you could put a button on there. And I think that's great, you know, because some of the things in ClickBank, their sales pages are ridiculous, you know. But everybody's doing a sales page with the video. So say, for example, somebody opts in here, you could take them to one of your sales pages. So now, very quickly, let me show you the drag and drop, okay? Let's do this very quickly in Webstarts. What we're going to do here is we're going to go and we're going to make a new page, okay? Did I make changes to that? Okay, so just for shits and giggles, let's save it. Okay, so now we're not going to copy from the home page. The header will be there, okay? We're going to call this the sales, okay, or whatever you want to name it. It's your decision, okay? The ultimate drag and drop. Okay, so let's update this. So obviously, we kept the header because the header stays on all the pages, okay? So maybe I'll move that up a little bit. Now, I do this here, even though I'm on the sales page, okay? That'll edit that header on every page. Whoops. Okay, see that? Alright, so the header is consistent on every page because that's the way you decide it to be. Now, if I didn't want to view this on this page, I just go here and not show the header or the footer. Okay? So, that said, here's what we're going to do very quickly. We're going to add some text. Okay, add some heading text here. Now, I copy this from over here. Back to the Webstarts. We're going to edit this. I'm going to select all of it, and we're going to paste it. Okay, and it's going to come up right in there. And because what I chose, it's pretty big, so what we're going to do is reduce it very quickly. Okay, font size. Take it there. Let's take it back up to 32. Wherever you'd like to take it. Okay, I like 31, 30. Alright, and again, this is just for the sake of this video. Alright, so now, let's take it here once again, and we're going to put it in the middle. Alright. So say now you want to put your PayPal button right here. Now you want to take a little bit more. Okay, introducing this. We could do all this if we wanted to. Alright, so let's do this. Okay. Alright, well that's already got a button thing on it. So I want to eliminate that. So let's do this just for real quick shits and giggles. Yes, I want this. Okay, then we're just going to save it. Alright. Right to the desktop. Boom. Get rid of that. Webstarts. We're going to add. And as you can see, with the Webstarts, okay, it's so user-friendly. I even got the book in there. I can put the book back in there too, okay? I got the book in there. Alright, so I just wanted to do this just to avoid typing everything in and putting it in. Okay, so I'm going to insert this. Let's make it here. Okay. Beautiful thing. Alright, it's centered. We can go here. We can center it where it needs to be. Alright, let's put that up there. So now let's put the picture of the book in there. Alright. Ultimate drag and drop, man. I can't stress it enough. It's such an incredible platform. Okay, watch this. You can't do this in WordPress. You can't do this in any kind of WordPress thing you got. It's just not going to happen. Okay. You can't do this in Wix. Can't do it. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, because my, the PayPal to the platform, upload it. Okay, where did I leave my little button? Clicking too fast. Save image as. Did it do it? Am I on the desktop? Oh, it's showing it as a web file. Okay, so it's not letting me steal the picture. But that's okay, because here's what we could do, right? PayPal dashboard. Let's go to cash it in. Hate the cache. Okay, images. PayPal button. Let me be more specific. Okay. And you can probably get this on PayPal, no problem. I like this guy. This guy's talking to me. Okay. Alright, I'm going to go back, upload, probably have 100 of them on my computer. Okay, so we can go there. Alright, and then we can just go into the settings, and we're going to choose the link. Now, again, I'm not here to teach you how to do PayPal. Okay, but this is the PayPal link if you're going to send it in an email. And it'll work just the same. Okay, now, on this particular thing, okay, it's for the free site, it's probably not going to allow me to do this like this. Okay, see, it's not going to allow me to do it on the free site. Okay, so you really got to have a paid site to do it. Okay, there is a way around it, but I'm not allowed to show you that. Okay, so if you got a free site, all you would do is link that there. Excuse me, if you have a paid site through Webstarts, all you got to do is link it there. Okay, like any other normal picture link. Okay, now there is a way to do embedded code. You could do it as an embedded code. Okay, and when you embed the code, it comes up like the normal Webstarts Buy Now button. Okay, so now it's going to take me, well, I don't think I'm signed in. Let's get out of that. Let's get out of that, get out of that, get out of that. Save it. Clicking all over the place. Okay, so boom. Alright, so again, very easy to do. Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, very easy to do. Now, if you had a regular account, you could do much more with this. Okay,